Hello everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today in this video I will be teaching you how to watch live football in iPhone. So let's get started. Open any browser, then search for Sky Sports. Tap on the first link appeared. And then on the right hand side you will see three horizontal lines icon. Tap on it. Then select for sports. Select any one of the sports that you would like to watch. Scroll down on the bottom and there you will see the live sports happening. Tap and open that page. After doing this, scroll down and there you will see an option called Start. Tap on it and follow as it says. Enter your mobile number and location. Doing this, you can now watch your desired matches live. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like, share, subscribe our YouTube channel and leave a comment down below.